Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Wednesday, September 5th. Support held strong on to test the 1395 level, again in the S&P. The downward push was reversed from those lows, and that also coincides with the lows of the last two Fridays. Dow futures took out their monthly lows from August 30th by 1 point before turning higher to finish down, and they ended up being 85 points off that bottom. The Nasdaq was weak in early action Tuesday with the index to its lowest level since August 16th. Intraday reversal on the Nasdaq was led by Apple. It's announcing its new iPhone launch, so that reversed tech shares and propelled them significantly higher. Other movers including gold besting $1,700 an ounce during the session to close at $16.96. Silver also extended gains up another 30 cents to finish at $32.40. Bonds backed off 21 ticks yesterday to finish near 151 even on the day. The yield on the 10-year note sits at 158 at the finish of business on Tuesday. Crude was the biggest asset loser, giving back Friday's gains, but holding above the intraday support at 95, closed at 95.65. The short-term close last Thursday below that 95 level was the first time since August 16th. So where do the markets stand this morning to set up the trading day on Wednesday? Well, we've got quiet markets in Europe. All eyes are over there looking for the ECB announcement that comes out on Thursday. Stocks across the pond are a little changed, and they sit there on both sides of the unchanged level awaiting these new announcements. Crude this morning sits right around the $95 threshold, holding steady. We'll want to see how that acts as a support point on a closing basis for the week, so that's important to watch in crude. December long bond futures are steady right now here at the 151 level, with the dollar bouncing from support at 81 from the other day after drifting lower. So it's important to see where we go from here and how it reacts to the ECB bank news coming out Thursday. Gold's backed off a bit, down $3, $16.93 after the big push to $1,700 on Tuesday. Now that was a technical objective from the breakout move from 1600. Silver's also down about 20 cents at 32.20 today after getting to 32.50 yesterday. So as we get started for the morning on Wednesday, the E-mini S&P is only down 1 right now, drifting higher as we stand. The Dow futures are down 20 and the Nasdaq futures are down 8 with an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the morning, gold's down 3, crude's unchanged, interest rates unchanged, stock futures have climbed back to nearly unchanged, down 1 point right now in the S&P at 1405. Dow futures here at the CME Group are down about 20, but we're holding above the 13,000 level. Please visit our sponsors for more information on commodities, futures, and options. See you early Thursday morning for Stirring the Markets to set up your trading day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.